Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage to the components. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom of the laptop. And 2. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After the cover is removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop, including the RAM slots. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve airflow and cooling within your device. Now, locate the RAM slots. You will see the existing RAM modules secured by small clips on either side. To remove the old RAM, gently push these clips outward and the RAM will pop up at an angle. Carefully pull the RAM module out of the slot. If you are upgrading, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Insert it at a 90-degree angle and press down until the clips click into place, securing the RAM. If you're unsure about the compatibility of the RAM, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This can help you choose the right components for your upgrade. After installing the new RAM, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Here you go. Place the back cover back onto the laptop and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling or movement. Once the back cover is secured, reconnect your laptop to the power source and power it on. To verify that the new RAM is recognized, right-click on the Start menu and select System. Here, you will see the installed RAM listed under the device specifications. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel. Finally, if you need assistance or a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. Upgrading your RAM can significantly improve your laptop's performance, making it faster and more efficient for your daily tasks. Enjoy your upgraded Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No howls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.